Yo, first order of the day. We've got a 7-Eleven. This one is $8 going about 2 miles.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Carter?
Yep.
There you go, man.
Thank you. Next up, this order is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a stacked Jack in the Box going 9 miles.
Good morning. Want to get in the back? Only when you're ready. Okay, this is for look.
Thank you. Dude's name is Whale. Nice. Very nice. Please tell me this gate opens, because the GPS just took me to the other side of the fence of this area. No, it doesn't. All right, total for that stack was $16. Was that worth it? I'm gonna say no, because that was really annoying to drop off, actually. I already know this order is a mistake, but we're doing it anyways. Got an Angel's Donuts and Cream. This one is going across the river at least 10 miles. So throw in maybe 5 miles coming back. This order is about 15 miles round trip. So if I don't make at least $15, it is not worth it. Total for that order was $14. Not worth it. Only way to have made that last order worth it was if I got an order on the way back. But nope. Drove all the way back. All of it was dead mileage. This next order isn't amazing, but it is pretty slow right now. So we're doing it. This is a Black Rock Coffee, $7 going 5 miles.
There's that for you.
Thank you.
Yes, have a good one.
You too. Looks like we're heading right back to that Black Rock Coffee. This is going, I think it's at 3 miles.
There's that for you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
No tip. Nice. Total for that one was $4. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $6 going 1.5 miles. Thank you. I'm not sure why it's so slow today. I don't think there is peak pay on any of the apps. Yeah, no. It's just a regular old Sunday. Finally got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $6 and change going about 2.5 miles. Next order up is an IHOP going 3.5 miles. As soon as I pulled onto that street, I realized who that was going to, and that's a no tipper. Total for that one was $4. Wow, we are not making money today. I can feel it. Going back to IHOP for this one. This order is going 5 miles. Brother, why do I need a pin? I do not want to meet you. Perfect, there you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Total for that order was $7 and change. And I think I'm just gonna call it here because I don't see today getting much better than this. Current time is 9:03. Current total is 73. And I think I'm waiting on Uber tips. I'm not sure. And this is probably gonna be a shorter video, so have some kitty clips. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.